Hello, students! Today we will be learning about words related to music. We will explore different types of musical instruments and learn about the people who create, perform, and lead music. Music is a wonderful way to express feelings, tell stories, and bring people together. Let's begin. Brass instruments. French horn. A brass instrument with a long coiled tube that produces a rich, smooth sound. Trumpet. A brass instrument with 3 valves that produces bright, powerful notes. Trombone. A brass instrument that uses a sliding tube to change pitch. Tuba. The largest brass instrument, known for producing deep, low sounds. Bugle. A simple brass instrument with no valves, often used for military signals and ceremonies. Flugelhorn. A brass instrument similar to a trumpet, but with a softer and warmer tone. Percussion instruments. Bell. A percussion instrument that produces a ringing sound when struck. Cymbals. 2 round metal plates that produce a crashing sound when struck together. Drums. Percussion instruments that produce sound when their stretched surfaces are struck. Piano. A musical instrument with keys that produce sound when pressed, causing small hammers to strike strings. Gong. A large flat metal disc that produces a deep, resonant sound when struck. Maracas. Handheld percussion instruments filled with small beads or seeds that make a rattling sound when shaken. Rattle. A percussion instrument that makes a shaking or rattling sound. Tambourine. A handheld percussion instrument with jingling metal discs and a drumhead. String instruments. Banjo. A string instrument with a round body and a bright, twangy sound. Cello. A large string instrument played with a bow while resting on the floor. Fiddle. A violin used mainly in folk, country, and traditional music. Harp. A large string instrument with many strings that are plucked with the fingers. Guitar. A popular string instrument played by plucking or strumming its strings. Violin. The smallest and highest-pitched instrument in the string family. Woodwind instruments. Bagpipes. A wind instrument that uses air stored in a bag to produce sound. Bassoon. A large woodwind instrument known for its deep, rich tone. Clarinet. A woodwind instrument with a single reed and a smooth, clear sound. Flute. A woodwind instrument that produces sound when air is blown across an opening. Oboe. A woodwind instrument with a double reed and a bright, expressive sound. Saxophone. A woodwind instrument made of brass that uses a single reed to produce sound. People in music. Musician. A person who plays a musical instrument or performs music. Composer. A person who writes or creates music. Singer. A person who performs songs using their voice. Songwriter. A person who writes the words and music for songs. Guitarist. A person who plays the guitar. Pianist. A person who plays the piano. Drummer. A person who plays the drums. Saxophonist. A person who plays the saxophone. Trumpeter. A person who plays the trumpet. Cellist. A person who plays the cello. Symphony conductor. A person who leads an orchestra and directs the musicians during a performance. Ensemble. A group of musicians who perform music together. Music band. A group of musicians who play and perform music together. Conclusion. Today, we learned about the different families of musical instruments and the people who perform and create music. Every instrument has its own unique sound, and every musician plays an important role in making beautiful music. Thank you for learning with us today.